Have you ever thought about how security fits into the fast-pacing world of DevOps? Or wondered how modern organizations build secure software without slowing down their release cycles? If you're interested in combining development operations and security, then this video is your complete roadmap to launching a career in DevSecOps. Hi everyone, I'm Akansha. I am a cybersecurity professional and mentor. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step DevSecOps roadmap designed to help you break into this exciting and in-demand field. Whether you're coming from a development operations or security background, or you're someone starting from scratch, this video has something valuable for you. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is DevSecOps? Well, DevSecOps stands for Development Security and Operations. It's all about integrating security into every stages of software development lifecycle, from planning, coding to development and monitoring. Instead of treating security as an afterthought, DevSecOps makes it a shared responsibility among developers, operations team, and security professionals. The goal is to build software that is not only fast scalable, but also secure by design, without slowing down the delivery. So before diving into DevSecOps tools and practices, it's important to understand the foundations. So here's what you need to learn. First of all, start with learning software development basics. Know how applications are built, especially with languages like JavaScript, Python, or Java. Operating systems and command line, get comfortable with Linux, Bash, and scripting. Networking fundamentals, understand protocols, ports, DNS, firewalls. Then version control systems, especially Git and platforms like GitHub or GitLab. Now, for learning all these, some of the resources that you can use are Free Code Camp for web development and Git basics, Over the Wires Bandit for Linux practices, Code Academy for programming foundations. All these you can also find in YouTube channels. Next, let's look at the DevOps because DevSecOps is built on top of it. So you should understand CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure as a code, containers and orchestrations, and also cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. Now, some of the popular tools in DevOps are Jenkins, GitLab, CI/CD, CircleCL, Docker and Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, and Pulumi, AWS EC2, S3, IAM, and CloudFormations. Now comes the security. This is what transformed the DevOps into DevSecOps. So for security, focus on application security fundamentals, threat modeling and risk assessment, secrets management tools like HashiCorp Vault, AWS Secret Manager, identity and access management, network segmentation, and least privilege container securities. For this, you can use secure image scanning vulnerabilities, all these kind of activities to learn about security tools. Also, learn about OWASP Top 10. It's your security Bible as a DevSecOps engineer. Then understand shift left, which simply means embedding security early in the development process. Check the list of must-known tools used in DevSecOps ecosystem. Now, you don't need to master everything at once. Pick one or two tools in each category and practice using them in the real-world scenario. Moving ahead, certifications can also help validate your skills and boost your credibility. So some of the recommended certifications for beginners, I would suggest CompTIA Security Plus. It builds a solid foundation for the security level. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Introduction to Cloud. For intermediate level, you can go for Certified DevSecOps Professional, AWS Security Specialty, Certified Kubernetes Secure Specialist, etc. Again, choose certifications that match your target job and align with your learning path. So, what kind of jobs can you land with DevSecOps skills? Well, common roles include DevSecOps engineer, cloud security engineer, application security engineer, security automation engineer, platform security engineer, etc. To stand out, showcase the projects, tools, and labs on your resume. Highlight your ability to integrate security into DevOps pipeline. Use keywords like CI/CD security, cloud security, container hardening. And remember, soft skills like collaboration, communication, and critical thinking are just as important. And there you have it, your complete roadmap to building a career in DevSecOps. So I hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, keep progressing. All the best.